This morning, the 6th day of March, within Marani area, that was around 30 hours, somewhere there, we received a distress call from members of public, and which were responded swiftly by our officers based at DCC Marani office, that there was robbery taking place within Marani township at a bakery. So, upon responding, our officers arrived there. We found that the robbers have already left the place. They were able to chase them towards Sombogo tea factory, and upon nearing that place, Sombogo Center, the tuk-tuk make Piaggio lost control, and the suspects started shooting at our officers. And fire exchange ensued, and whereby 4 suspects were fatally injured. 2 were able to escape, and we believe they are wounded. So we have also launched an investigation to find out whether we can find the 2 who have escaped, and whether we can get the firearm that was being used by those robbers. For members of public, that they keep on providing information as they have always been doing, and we shall keep it in confidence. Let me assure members of business community within Kisii town that we are always alert and we are ready to protect life and their properties.